Hi, I'm Paul with the website CoffeeMakersEtc, and today we're here to run a series of tests on a brand new VPR brewer. We just got this in from Bunn the other day, and we're going to run some tests on it. This brewer, the VPR, has probably been around with Bunn for, 20 years or so. It's a great brewer. You'll see it a lot in offices, convenience stores, etc. This thing would probably run about $300 with decanters, delivery, everything. So let's go ahead and start the test on it.
Go! No.
Okay, so far so good. Machine's holding up well so far. Now let's try to brew some coffee. Now with this brewer, we got to start by pouring water in so we don't burn out the element when we plug it in. So let's do that. After that, we'll plug it in and let the wire heat up. Okay, we're back. We filled up the machine with water and let it heat up for took about 20 minutes to heat it up. So now we're going to pour in one more pitcher of water in, and it should start brewing coffee. And we'll time it, see how long it takes, and measure the temperature. For a final test, we'll taste the coffee. Pouring coffee, water in there. Coming out. Start the timer here. All right. Now we wait. Okay, we're almost done brewing, so I want to real quickly see if I can measure the temperature of the coffee here. And the funnel should be about 195 to 205 is the correct brewing temperature. This may be a little lower since it's in the grounds. Coming out to about 192, so I'd say it's pretty good considering where we're measuring the temperature. Take that out. I think we're done brewing. Took about 3 minutes exactly for 2:55, so it's about exactly right. Just try the coffee here and we'll be done.